Alright folks, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an obvious drag mark. And we're thinking maybe it was a bobcat. We can see his prints. And it looks like a bobcat. So we're gonna kind of follow it. We're going the way we're going anyway. And who knows, maybe we might run right into it. Hopefully it's not a big bobcat. Yep. Michelle, she'll talk to it in its language. It'll know her, it'll be like, oh, you're one of us. Well, howdy folks. Shawn and Michelle here from Snowshoeing with Michelle on YouTube. And today we are at Dutchman Lake. It is still quite a bit of snow. It's interesting. And we're gonna go check out the waterfalls. And we're following a trail here, so but I'm recording this via Strava, so you can get on there and check it out if you want and see how we get to the falls. That's the best way to do it, I think. A lot of people always ask me. I try to explain it, but some folks get lost. But it's especially going to be difficult to tell you in the snow, but you could just come out here and follow the trail. Alright folks, here's a cool pool. I always say cool pool at this particular waterfall, but it's pretty much a really cool pool right now. And I will say it's definitely interesting to walk on all this, because before you could see what trouble you're getting into. Now it's all buried by snow. There's Michelle. Alright folks, we had to abort the following of the bobcat trail because yeah, we're gonna catch back up to it, but its route is a lot more difficult than us humans can handle. I mean, this route is difficult, apparently. And this is Hanging Boulder, because it's just a boulder hanging. Hanging from. You can go through it. You can slide all the way around it. See what I mean? A good shift in the earth and this baby would fall right now on top of me. So there's some icicles. Even though it's been like this for millions of years probably, still gives me the creeps to be under it, There's the Hanging Boulder. And Michelle for scale. Alrighty folks, this is Frozen Waterfall number 1. This is a pretty good waterfall here. That's pretty cool. That's like the multi-tiered, fall. It's really pretty. Makes me wonder where the pool starts. Nice little water flow through there. That's beautiful. Wow. There you go, folks. It's just interesting because the water's in the middle of it, shooting through it. So you can see it. I don't know if you can with this camera, but I can with my naked eye. Yeah, that's a cool. I'm glad we came here. This is pretty cool, folks. The yak tracks are handy until you get off the slippery objects. That is just really neat. There's still another good waterfall to see. Alrighty, folks. Continuing on, getting close to our second waterfall. Just trying not to slide off the hillside here. Alright, folks. I don't know if you can really tell, but we're pretty high up, you know. It's pretty far down there. This is where you don't want to slip. Whether snow is present or not. Don't want to slip here. Alright. Approaching the frozen fall. This is a good one. It's a really good one. Just gotta make sure I can get over there with these cleats. Oh, it's a little bit more difficult when you're walking on non-frozen precipitation. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, there it is. Pretty cool. Good looking fall right here. Man. Really cool looking. Alright, that pool's a little bit more scarier sounding. But look at that. That's pretty wild.
Hey, I see a window.
Yeah, I see you.
Quit.
So does YouTube. Look, everyone, looky. Hey, you better watch out.
Yeah.
I'll make the waterfall fall. All right, folks, here's Dutchman Lake. They say you can come out here at night. Maybe it's in the day, I don't know, but it has something to do with the ice cracking underneath. And they say you could really hear it.
Oh, I bet it echoes.
Yeah. Folks used to tell me when they were kids they'd come out here just for that. And I've yet to do it yet, but pretty scene here with the sun shining through. You can see just stretches the light across. Really pretty. Nice to see the sun out. Missed that old thing. Alright, folks. That was our hike. And it was a good one. Probably only about a mile and a half total. But it was a little bit more strenuous than snow. So it's definitely a little bit more of a workout. The sun looks pretty. We're gonna drive around the loop and or not the loop, but the little turnaround at the end of the fishing hole lane here and just kind of look around at the lake. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. You don't get to really see this that much because we just don't get snow like this commonly anymore. What do you think you're doing? So feel free to share, like, comment, all that good stuff.
Turn it off.
And until next time, you might not see Michelle on the trail because I'm going to bury Michelle out here. But oh. 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 Really? Oh. Oh, really? Oh yeah. Okay, that was unique. Have to turn the camera back on. A present was left on my on my truck here.
Well, at least it wasn't a Karen.
True. I do like.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I did that. So whoever did that made my day. That
funny.
made my day in the snowball fight I just had.